Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make stickers with this cool gyro cut little pen-like swivel blade thing that was recommended to me by one of our Momentum members. And our Momentum program at Bible Journaling Ministries is really just a fabulous program that just helps you grow in the Word creatively. So every month you get videos, you get technique videos, you get a devotional, you get videos with a devotional, you get a lot of bonus printables, so just a ton of value for a low price. So we had a member in there say, hey, you don't need a $200 machine to cut out stickers. What I use is this gyro cut. And I thought, well, why don't I just check it out and share it with you? And I'm so excited to share it with you today, and I'm so glad that she mentioned it to me. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to do, I literally got this 30 minutes ago. I played with it around for a little bit just to kind of get used to it, and I mean, it really was quick. So I can tell you, I actually think it's a very fabulous tool, but it does take some time to get used to. So yeah, practice makes perfect. So, and I actually will be putting this in my travel bag because I think, you know, I might just take it with me, and you never know. I don't always have time to get my brother scan and cut out or my Silhouette machine before I'm headed up or headed out the door, and I could have things printed already and I can just cut them on the road. So I don't know, I think it's a great tool, but let me just show it to you first. So it comes in a package. It's, I think today, when I bought it, it was $15.75 on Amazon. So I will link that up for you in our store so you can check it out and see what you think. And by the way, anytime you do purchase something from us with an affiliate link, you do support this channel. And I just wanted to thank you so much in advance for that. So the gyro cut, if I can show you real quickly, it is actually ergonomically designed according to the manufacturer, and it truly is. So if you're right-handed, you can use it, and if you're left-handed, you can use it. The way they have built it, it's pretty awesome. And it has this blade at the end, which is actually does not cut you. I'm sure if you really dug into your skin, you could cut yourself. I'm sure you could. I'm not going to do that, but I'm just scraping it against my hand like you would do, you know, if you had a blade, and it's just not cutting me, so that's nice. And the blade actually swivels, so you can see just kind of move around, and that's what it does. It's a swivel blade. And the way you hold it is you hold it with your fingers, one index finger and one thumb, and that's kind of how you hold it, like a pen. And you know, and I actually put my middle finger behind. It's got a little groove behind it, and it's got two little grooves on the side. So index finger, thumb, and then the little groove for my middle finger. And I'm holding it the correct way. And what I like to do with it in all of 30 minutes I've had it is kiss cut my stickers out of it. And the way I do that is I use only the tip of the blade. So if you want to cut a full, if you want to use it as a crafting knife, you want to use the whole side of the blade, this whole area here. But if you just want to kiss cut your stickers, you just want to use the top of the blade, just that little tip top right there. Okay, so you're just going to hold it like a pen, and you're going to cut out your stickers that way. Okay, so let me just show you real quickly. I have a healing mat here. This is a rotary mat, super old, but you know, I could go get another one, but maybe I will one of these days. And I've got some printables here. I've got my Momentum sticker printable. I've also got some clear sheets as well, because what I usually do with the clear sheets is I cut them by hand, and that's called fussy cutting, which is another way to do it. And you know, actually you don't need one of these tools if you just want to cut it out with scissors. So normally what I do is I grab my $5 pair of scissors, and I just come in here and cut around, especially these clear ones. That's what I usually do. But today I thought it'd be good to kind of show you how to use this little gyro cut tool to cut those stickers out. So let me just show you how it works. So you can cut really basically anything, and really depending on the pressure that you put is going to decide whether or not you're going to actually be able to kiss cut in the sticker or cut all the way through it. And I'm not gonna lie, I've only had this 30 minutes, so sometimes I cut right through it, and that's totally okay. And sometimes I miscut as well, and then I just come back and cut it again. It's totally okay, no big deal, right? So and I'm not an expert at this, I just literally got it. So I have the Unshakable Confidence Part 4 out of our devotion this month, and that's Ephesians chapter 1, verse 13 through 14. And I won't read the verse for you since I'm just demoing the tool. But really what you do is in order to get it to kiss cut, again, I'm just going to be cutting with this tip, just this little tip here. So I'm going to place the blade here, and I'm just going to cut this little girl out right here. And I have the camera zoomed in super close so you can see. Then I'm just going to take the tip of that blade and just, with a little bit of pressure, just go around her. And I'm not going to be like super accurate here. I just want you to see just how quickly you can do it. So now I've cut her. And I haven't cut her all the way through, which is nice, but now she's a sticker. So you can see how easy and fast that was for me. And literally I just got this thing. So it's not like I've been practicing forever on it. So I'm going to put her down, and I think I'm going to cut her out too. So again, I'm going to come in with the tip of my blade, and I'm just going to go ahead and just put some pressure down. Now I'm not putting a lot of pressure down on it. I'm also not light-handed either. So it's kind of, you just have to practice with it. I would say it's a little bit more pressure than what I would use if I was using, like drawing with a pencil. If I was drawing with a pencil, I would have a very light hand. If I wanted to press a little hard and indent it into the paper, that's kind of the pressure I'm putting on. Just like if you were trying to indent your paper with it. It's hard to say. Oops, I accidentally pulled her hand right off me. That is some sticky sticker paper. So there's that one. Let's do this girl. Actually, let's do this one. This one looks pretty good, and this one is really detailed. So let me see if I can. I would love to try to do it at an angle for you, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to get that on camera. But again, just with the tip of the blade just coming through, not spending a lot of time on this. But again, you know, if you are traveling and you don't want to, or you're not going to, take your Cricut machine with you or your Silhouette with you, or if you don't have one of those machines and you want to have some really cool stickers, then this machine works and this tool works really well. So you can see that I have cut it out. Oh, there's a couple areas that are not as cut out as they should be. Let's see. Oh, right in the corners. Let's see if I can just come in here and press it down. There we go. Ta-da! Alright, so that is just on regular shipping label sticker paper. And I mean, I really think it's a great sticker. And it's a great way to use your printables. And I could just come in and have all kinds of fun cutting out these little shoes and stuff. But I'm going to pass on that. And we're going to do a piece of copy paper so that you can see that. With copy paper, I do press harder because I'm just trying to cut the girl out. And this is just a faster way than fussy cutting. Okay, so she's done. Now let's do the clear sticker. These are in the bonus section of the Momentum program, and you can find them under digital stamps, and I just put a bunch of them everywhere. So I'll come in here and kiss cut her as well, and I think I usually like to start at the top and just go around, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And I'm trying to go somewhat fast. The clear doesn't really matter. You don't have to be like super precise with the clear. And I find like if you go a little bit faster, it's easier and you get the whole thing, I think. The matte sticker paper is a little bit harder to cut than, I find it's just a little bit harder to cut than this clear sticker paper, but you can see her just come right off, just like that. And we could apply that in our Bible. And I'll do another one for you. Let's do the little angel. I think she's super cute. Love her. And I'll just start at the top. And again, just kiss cutting with the top of the blade. Just going around her super fast. I'm not going to spend a lot of time. But the blade does a pretty good job of swiveling for me. So I don't have to really worry about whether or not I'm being accurate. Oh, you can see I cut through the sticker paper this time on this one. But that's okay. There we go. You can see I have one part where I cut through, so we know that it's definitely cut through. And now I'm going to peel her up. And be real careful. When you get this clear sticker paper, if you're using this clear sticker paper, this is just the Avery clear shipping label sticker paper. It does rip if you're not really careful. I mean, I totally can just rip her in half really easily with this. But there you go. We have a nice, easy sticker there. And you don't have to fussy cut with your scissors, and you can do this while you're watching TV. It's super easy and fast. So, oh, here's some real cute ones that we have in our store. I love these ones. These are in the bonus files in Momentum as well. And I'll just come in here and just pull out, instead of having it in a box, I'm just going to come in and pull out just the watercolor part. And I could get really detailed and get super close to the ends, to the edges, but I'm not going to. I just want to show you how easy it is to learn this tool. And I really just got it 30 minutes ago. So, there we go. Easy, right? So you can print out your stickers and cut them out. You don't need a machine. In fact, if you get really fast at this, you might even be faster at doing it than actually, you know, taking your Cricut out and tracing and then loading the paper and then cutting. I mean, this might just be faster. It depends. I mean, really, right? Is that not awesome? So, hopefully this was helpful to you, and you have another option now for those of you who are wondering, how do I print and cut stickers without spending $200 on a machine? And this is, I mean, $15.75, guys. It's cheap. So, yeah, if you're interested, I will, again, link our store below. Please click the link, and that does really support our ministry, and I just really thank you for doing that. Again, if you like our channel, please subscribe and like. It just tells, you know, the social media people that our channel is valuable, and I can keep bringing this valuable content to you if it's what you like. So again, let me know if you have any questions. I would love to answer them for you, and I hope that this was a good review, again, called the Gyro Cut. All right, I will talk to you soon. You have a great day. Goodbye.